Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Banu Dark Spot Milky Serum. This product retails for $54. I can't wait to try this out because Banu is one of these brands that utilizes effective ingredients in a simple formula that has personally worked for my acne-prone skin. Their acne treating serum is the serum that's worked best for me. So I always pay attention to their treatment products. This is a newer skincare line, and this is their first new launch since their original base skincare product. So I can't wait to see how it performs. What I noticed with it, I am going to spend a little bit more time with it since it is a dark spot treating serum. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Utilizes tranexamic acid at 3%, Alpha-Arbutin at 2%, and then niacinamide at 2%. Personally love tranexamic acid and niacinamide blended together for dark spot treatment, so I can't wait to see how this performs. Pretty simple other than that. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things going to be looking for include how does this product feel, what finish does it leave, and what benefits do I notice if I do notice any. A little bit more slow release with dark spot effects, but I will be seeing if I notice any of those results. Also want to see if it causes any sensitivity and how often I can use it. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm ready to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I already have a dark spot serum that I'm kind of in the back of my head gonna compare this to. If you followed me, you know which one, but I'm not gonna even mention it until I try out this product and see. Definitely a milky dark spot treating serum. The texture, it almost feels like a lightweight milky toner. A little bit thicker though. It is like a good serum texture that is very moisturizing. I like that they went for the moisturizing approach with a dark spot treatment because I feel like it is more prone to help the appearance of discoloration as well as treat it with the effective ingredients in here. I'm gonna feel this, see how it feels for the skin. And it is super refreshing, very light, not too heavy. It does give a nice radiant finish to the skin. I'm dealing with just a little bit of discoloration over here from mostly post-acne discoloration. I will see how this works for that. Blends in really nice. It's nothing too heavy, even though it is a milky serum. It's something that maybe really oily skin wouldn't enjoy, but other than that, I think it will be a good product. Very soothing, very nourishing, and yet not too heavy, and I really like that aspect of it. I will see about results. I'm gonna spend just a little bit more time with this product to see what I notice with it, how it performs, all of that. So I will continue to use it and I'll check in again. I'm about to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a really gentle, simple yet effective milky dark spot serum, and I feel like it utilizes some standard yet effective highlighted ingredients that worked really well for my skin over a more extended use. The thing is with this serum, it is sadly very expensive when I know of another alternative that is way more budget friendly. If you've been following me for a while, you could probably imagine I'm going to be comparing this to the Peach Slices Discoloration Serum. I have not shut up about that product, and I was really trying to go into this with an open mind to compare it. The ingredients are different, but I feel like the Peach Slices almost more encapsulates my skin concerns than this does. This I feel like is best just as a dark spot treatment, while the Peach Slices is good for dark spots and also soothing and calming post-acne discoloration, redness, so many skin concerns as well. What I like about Banu serum is it's very lightweight, has a nice milky texture that blends in practically immediately and is pretty watery, but doesn't cause anything negative or any sensitivity on the skin. Peach Slices has a little bit more of a rich moisturizer texture to it. It definitely does soothe the skin a little bit better, gives a little bit more of a finish to the skin, but yet is as effective as this. I don't really see myself investing in Banu serum because I am such a fan of Peach Slices. Peach Slices is $12 as well. I would recommend at least trying that product before going for this one. If you're not satisfied with your results, maybe try this one, but honestly, I'd recommend going for a more potent active because it kind of uses some similar technology as the Peach Slices. I'm not a skincare expert. I always recommend consulting with them. I just personally feel like from trying both products, they are very comparable. Only big difference, price point. I would much rather invest in peach slices because I saw a better set of benefits from that product. Still a good product with this, but if the peach slices didn't exist, I would be more open to it. There are still more options that I love. I also know Naturium's multi-bright treatment may be a little bit more of a potent formula in a more budget-friendly option that would be good to combat discoloration and texture. Kind of similar to this, it had a milky texture, but yet still utilized an AHA exfoliant and a PHA exfoliant that could be a little bit more effective than this. I do feel like peach slices is going to be the way to go. At least try it. You're only out $12 if you do try that first versus the much steeper price point from this. Just don't see a reason for me to invest in this product anymore. I mean, it's a good, gentle, effective treatment, but ultimately peach slices does everything I need, and so I am going to be going for that over this in the future. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next one.